Hi, Adonis. Thanks a lot for taking this call. I really appreciate you taking time out of your busy schedule. And in this brief video, in this brief interview, we'd like to just go over your FE exam preparation journey, where you started, the resources you used, how difficult it was, and what was the approach that you basically used.
Hi,
So
was
just if you can, thank you, if you can just give us brief background, how many years out of school were you when you passed the FE exam?
well, I've been more than 20 years out of school for this exam.
Right. And you
So
passed
yeah,
it
it was a
exam.
it was a challenge for me, but I passed it. Thank you.
And you passed the exam in the first attempt, right?
Yeah, first try.
First try, despite being out of school for 20 plus years. And how long did it take you to prepare for this exam?
Well, for the FE exam, it took me like almost 5 6 months, I say.
Okay. And you were also working part-time, full-time during this time?
I'm working as a part-time.
Okay.
Yeah,
And how many hours were you studying on? What was your schedule like? How many hours were you studying?
I would say like 20 hours, 25 hours a week.
Okay, that's pretty intense. And in terms of the resources, exam preparation resources, which exam preparation resources did you use?
Well, I honestly took another course before, but I found it not organized according to the specifications. As you know, specification were changed in July 2020.
Yeah, anti-electrical, yeah.
I was not comfortable with that organization. That's what I researched another resources. So I found your post, your study guide, and I first grabbed the study guide, third edition.
Yeah, the black and blue, yeah.
After that, yeah, so I just started to practice the problems, and after that, I went through the course, on-demand course, that it complemented the practice problems. So
Right.
I found very organized according to the specifications, and also I found that every topic was presenting with links or principles to the NCEES reference manual.
Right. And so you actively use the course along with the study guide in order to prepare for this exam. Now, was it helpful in refreshing the concepts that you had probably seen like 20 plus years ago? So how, any comments on that? Like how effective you found it in making you go through all the content? Like it's 17 sections, right? It's your entire 4 years of undergraduate engineering. So how did it help you in recalling all of those concepts that you might have learned like 2 decades ago?
Yeah, I definitely refresh many concepts. I mean, what is more important, the principles, because the
Right.
principles are the same. Whatever 20 years, 10 years, 1 year, the principles are the same. So I was focused on the principles, and definitely the course refreshed me all those principles for sure. The practice, using the calculator, going through the lectures, but combining with the practice. But yeah, definitely it helped me too much.
Right. And why would you recommend the course and the books to someone?
Why?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I definitely recommend the course because not only is the course on the mark course and the practice problem, but also the simulated practice exam online.
Right. You also
So
used the
those,
computer simulated practice exam. So this was
yeah,
a very recent product. Yeah. Full length, 110 questions with a timer and everything.
yeah, I definitely recommend this course because, uh, for example, the practice problems, as I mentioned before, is very organized with all the topics, all the specifications. I valued all the order, so from the topic 1 to topic 17, and all the tips that were presented in every topic.
Right.
I also valued the weight and the level of difficulty that was presented in every topic. That's helped me to focus in a topic strategically, and evaluating my time, effort to spend in any topic to pass the exam. With the course, definitely watching your lectures help me too much to understand and to refresh all those principles that I mentioned. And with the practice exam online, help me to be within the environment of the exam. Um, I would say most important the time management,
Right.
and being in that environment helped me too much to be prepared for the exam.
Right. Sounds good. Now, congratulations again, Adonis, on your wonderful achievement. And based on the quality of questions you were asking, I could clearly tell that you were working hard, right, through our email exchanges. And you wanted to make sure that you learn everything, as you said, the fundamental concepts and the principles. Because once you understand those fundamental concepts and principles, and then obviously combine it with a lot of practice problems, then you're almost guaranteed to pass. So you put in a lot of time and effort, like 20 plus hours for about 5 months. That is a lot of effort. And you reap the reward, right? Because you passed the exam in first attempt, despite being out of school for 20 plus years. So congratulations to you on that. Thank you.
Thank you very much.